Last June, this deck was done with the Deck Over series. So it was done for just the Deck Over series, not the ×5, not the ×1. So it was done June of last year, 2017. And take a look. Of course, we have to have some boards replaced here. You can see the quality, that the stuff doesn't stay. They did follow the directions to the letter as far as the temperature, the humidity, and how long it's supposed to stay on here. And so we're going to coat it with something else, but we want to get this off, so he went and rented one of these floor sanders. And it's taken a little bit, but we'll show you a shot after we get done. But my personal opinion is, no, I don't like Deck Over. He doesn't like Deck Over. And of course the color they got, they didn't think about it. They're puppy coming out in the yard and stuff. It got real stained really bad from the dirt, and it wouldn't really wash off either. So anyway, just a quick note, you can try it if you want to, but I don't recommend Deck Over.